Day 9 of the Tupac murder trial, and the defense just finished presenting its case. And what they focused on could be a major problem for the prosecution. After the prosecution rested yesterday, following 24 witnesses, it was finally time for Duane Keffe D. Davis' defense to present its side of the story. But here's what caught my attention. Keffe D never took the stand. Instead, the defense called 3 former Las Vegas police officers. Now, the most significant testimony came from the retired homicide detective Dan Long, who interviewed Davis back in 2009. Long testified that he tried to verify some of the information Davis gave investigators, but couldn't independently confirm several important details. For example, Davis had said his nephew, Orlando Baby Lane Anderson, went to Las Vegas hospital after the casino fight with Tupac. Long said he couldn't find hospital records confirming that. He also couldn't locate records verifying the white Cadillac Davis said had been rented before the shooting. And then came the question from a juror that really stood out. Could Long independently verify that Davis was actually inside that Cadillac the night Tupac was shot? His answer, no. Long acknowledged that outside of what Davis himself told investigators, he had no independent evidence confirming Davis was in that car. That's important because the prosecution case has relied heavily on Davis' own statements over the years, including interviews, his memoir, and recorded jail calls. The prosecution says Davis orchestrated the shooting in retaliation for the casino fight involving Tupac and Anderson, but the defense has been arguing that Davis exaggerated or even fabricated parts of his story for money and notoriety. The defense also called 2 former Las Vegas police officers who were working security at Suge Knight's home the night Tupac was shot. They testified about vehicles coming and going from the gated property, including a cream or white colored Cadillac. And then the defense rested. So after 9 days of testimony, we're now at the final stage. No Keffe D testimony, no more witnesses. Just closing arguments. And then the jury gets the case. Closing arguments are scheduled for Monday. And now the question is, did the prosecution prove that Keffe D orchestrated Tupac's death beyond a reasonable doubt? Or did the defense create enough doubt around Davis' own story? We're about to find out. Day 9 is officially on the books. I'm your girl, Callie Ware. Peace.